students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see some more MCQs on linear inequations. This is part 2. In the link above I have shared the previous video, that is part 1, and in the description box below also you will find some more videos on MCQs, so please go through those videos too. So the first question here is the solution set of the given linear inequations -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 where x belongs to the integer is. So the equation is given as x is between -3 and 1 and it is equal to -3 and 1. So the solution should start from -3 and end up to 1. So this is the correct option here. First one, that is -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1 are the elements of the solution set. Second question is the solution set of the given graph. So this is the given number line here and you can see the graph is given as -2 is included, it is darkened circle here, and for 4 it is empty circle and the values of x is between -2 and 4. Okay, for 4 it is given as 15 by 4. So 15 by 4 means 4 4s is 16, 4 3s is 12. So it is 3 whole 3 by 4. Okay, so that will be 15 by 4. Okay, so this is up to 4 but not 4. So the value will be this one. So this is the correct option. It is -2 is including but 15 by 4 is not included. X belongs to natural numbers. The solution of the given inequation 3 minus 2x is greater than x minus 12. So solve the given equation, you get the value of x as x is less than 5. So x is less than 5, option 2 is the correct option. Solving the inequality, 3a minus 6 is less than 4 plus a. So solve this, you get the value as a is less than 11. So that is the correct option. What is the solution for the set for 0 less than minus x by 2 and less than 3? So two inequalities are there, solve one by one. So first part, consider the first part, you get and multiplied by -2 here, so the sign will change, inequality sign will change here, so it will be 0 is greater than x. And for the second part here, minus x by 2 is less than 3, so again multiply by -2, so the inequality sign will change, so x is greater than -6. So the solution set is 0 and -6, that is -6 and 0, that is the correct option. Which of the following is correct here? Okay, if 0 is here greater than 0 is greater than -7, this is -7 actually. If 0 is greater than -7, then 0 is less than 7. If -4 is less than 7, then -4 is also less than -7. -2 is less than 5, then 2 is greater than 5, and 8 is greater than 1, then -8 is also greater than 1. That is not possible. If you multiply or divide with the negative number, the sign will change. So if here you are multiplying or dividing by -1, the sign is going to change. But for 0, 0 is neither negative nor positive, so this option is the correct option. This is the correct option. Given that x is an integer, find the values of x which satisfies both 2x plus 3 is greater than 7 and x plus 4 is less than 10. So solve both the equations here. You get the value for the first equation as x is greater than 2 and for the second equation it is x is less than 6. So write the solution set, x is greater than 2, that means 3, 4, 5 and so on as it is integer. Okay, and x is less than 6. So less than 6 means it is -1, 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So the values which are common in both these equations is 3, 4 and 5. The solution for the linear inequation 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 7 and -x is less than or equal to 2 is. So solve. So this equation you have to solve. You get the value of x as less than or equal to 5. And already this is given as -x is less than or equal to 2. So if you multiply by -1 on both the sides, your sign changes. So it will be x is greater than or equal to -2. So you have to write the solution set as this. So this is the correct option. Which of the following is not a linear inequality? So you can see all the options here. For the general formula for linear inequality is ax square plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0 or greater than equal to 0. So this is the correct option, as here x square is not given. So these all options are incorrect. Which one of the following is the solution for x when x is an integer and 12x is greater than 30? So solve this equation. 12x is greater than 30, so x will be equal to greater than 30 by 12, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Okay, x is greater than 2.5, that means the value of the solution set will be 3, 4, 5 and so on. From this you can see here the option given is 3 is the correct option. So you have 3 here in the solution set. Okay, so these are some more questions from linear inequality part 2. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.